The moon landing refers to the historic event that took place on July 20, 1969, when the Apollo 11 mission successfully landed two astronauts, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, on the lunar surface. It was a monumental achievement for space exploration and marked the first time that humans set foot on another celestial body. Apollo 11 mission. The Apollo 11 mission was the culmination of years of planning, engineering, and testing by NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the United States Space Agency. The mission aimed to fulfill President John F. Kennedy's goal of landing humans on the moon before the end of the 1960s. Lunar Module. The Lunar Module, LM, named Eagle, was the spacecraft designed to land on the moon. It consisted of two parts, the descent stage, which provided the landing capability, and the ascent stage, which housed the astronauts and enabled them to take off from the moon's surface. Astronauts. The crew of Apollo 11 consisted of 3 astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Armstrong served as the mission commander, Aldrin as the Lunar Module pilot, and Collins as the command module pilot, who remained in lunar orbit while Armstrong and Aldrin descended to the surface. Lunar descent and landing. On July 20, 1969, Armstrong and Aldrin entered the Lunar Module and separated from the command module, leaving Collins behind in lunar orbit. As the LM descended towards the moon's surface, Armstrong had to manually guide the spacecraft to avoid a boulder-strewn landing area. The famous phrase, "The Eagle has landed," was transmitted to mission control upon a successful landing in the Sea of Tranquility region. First steps on the moon. About 6.5 hours after landing, Neil Armstrong descended the ladder of the Lunar Module and famously took the first step onto the moon's surface. His words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the world, symbolizing a major achievement for humanity. Moonwalk and scientific activities. Armstrong and Aldrin spent a total of about 2.5 hours outside the Lunar Module, conducting experiments, collecting samples, and deploying scientific instruments. They planted the American flag, performed a phone call with President Richard Nixon, and took photographs of the lunar landscape. Returned to Earth. After spending approximately 21 hours on the moon's surface, the Lunar Module's ascent stage lifted off from the moon, and it docked with the command module, where Collins was waiting. The crew then began their journey back to Earth. Global impact. The moon landing had a profound impact on science, technology, and society. It demonstrated the capability of humans to venture beyond Earth and paved the way for subsequent manned moon missions. It also inspired generations of people and sparked advancements in various fields, including space exploration, material science, and computer technology. The moon landing remains a significant milestone in human history, symbolizing the triumph of human ingenuity, determination, and exploration of the unknown. Thanks for watching our channel. Do like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos.